Oh my goodness, that was bright.
I feel like there's a firecracker going across my face.
I'm one of the nurses here at Skin Laundry West Hollywood. Today you guys will be getting a laser inline facial. It is a medical grade procedure that helps to target different skin concerns. It helps with stimulating collagen and elastin, which are your connective tissues. It helps with fine lines, wrinkles, improves the texture and tone of your skin. It takes about 15 minutes, so you'll be out in no time.
Is it painful at all?
Very good question. We get asked that question a lot. I like to describe it as pop rock candies on your skin.
Okay.
Shouldn't be too bad.
Is it similar to like laser hair treatment?
It's not as bad as a laser hair treatment.
Oh, perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ooh, I need to share my house.
We're going to be starting off with the YAG laser. We'll do 2 rounds of that all over the face. That's going to help to stimulate collagen and elastin, helps to break down pigmentation. Also helps with vaporizing impurities in your skin. So you may smell something a little weird or funky here, not your skin getting burned. The laser just helps to vaporize those impurities out of your skin.
I feel like there's a firecracker going across my face.
Step 2, we are going to be applying a
That feels good.
water-based ultrasound gel. It's just going to help to protect your skin from the heat, also helps to distribute the light evenly onto your skin.
Oh my goodness, that was bright.
With the IPL, you'll just see bright flashes of light like a camera flash, and you'll feel a warm sensation onto your skin. This is going to help to treat the top layer of your skin, which is your epidermis. Helps with redness, inflammation, hyperpigmentation. Also helps with killing light-sensitive bacteria.
It almost felt like a blow dryer with like a little bit more heat.
After we finish with the IPL, we remove the gel.
Guys, I survived.
I can feel the light. And apply our toner and our sunscreen.
So we did it?
We did it.
What is one word you would say to describe it?
I would say refreshing, actually.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Good.
I'm gonna say electrifying in a positive way. I feel glowy.
I thought it would be more painful, but it wasn't. Yeah, it was like prickling like at a distance, so like it got a little hot, but it was like bearable.
Very interesting, the feeling when the laser went on your face. I felt like it was like kind of like 4th of July was happening on my face.
That feeling you get when you like first get out of the shower and like there's an open door and that cool air hits you, like that's what my face feels like.
Immediately, it felt very soft.
Yeah,
I would definitely do this again.
I would too. You just like glow. It
Oh,
looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You too.